certainly glad you could join me today. Well, today we just do a fantastic little painting that I think you'll really enjoy.
Okay guys, so the Standee, this is one I did of Andy Warhol. It's just really just a cutout that I painted and colored. I think I just used watercolor paint on this one. And then it's just a paper towel roll, and then it's removed some of the back so it's not so obvious of what it is. And then for the shot, when he's in his studio, I just wrapped aluminum foil around the paper towel roll. He stands really easy like that. For the Bob Ross Standee, I just again did a drawing of him on just regular paper from my sketchbook. Then I used marker and paint, mostly paint I guess. And then on the back I just folded a piece of cardboard and I glued it to the back. And it stands up, sort of. Same thing for the easel. Bob Ross's easel, just made out of cardboard, nothing fancy. Whoop.
And just beat the devil out of it.
Then somebody can just, it'd be like a store and they just come in and ask you for a can of soup and that was just the easiest way to do something. Because everybody paints the same picture over and over again anyway, so.
Talk to him. It doesn't matter if people think you're crazy, you know. Painters are noted for being a little weird anyway. We can get away with things like that.
Painters, it's okay if you talk to the trees. Make them your friends. It doesn't matter if people think you're crazy. Artists are known as being a little strange anyway.